change, this is Mike every day. I never change, this is Mike every day. I never change, this is Mike every day. From a fat little kid that got a kick out of life, I never did change up, that's word to Christ. I always been the same, that's word to life. From adolescence to adulthood, that's just Mike. When faced with certain trials, there was always tribulations. Thinking back now on the fact I was facing decades in jail, hoping for probation. Looking at the judge with thirst and desperation. Thinking to myself, what kind of game is this? Where they teach us how to drown, but don't teach us how to live. Always had one dream, but never got that wish. Always been about self, but never selfish. I never changed. YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. And today, y'all, we're going to be unboxing that Cameo Pro. I know it's been long awaited. People have been seeing commercials. We've been talking about it in discussion groups, going back and forth. Is it better than a regular Cameo 4? Is it better than a Cameo 3? Is it louder? Does it work better? The next thing I would like to talk to you guys about is T-Shirt Side Hustle sent me to this site. So, yo, I had to go and check it out for myself, and I did. And what it is Circle Clothing hoodies. Basically, I guess if you wash these, they don't shrink. They're not supposed to get those cotton balls that you get sometimes when you get those cheaper hoodies. And they're very inexpensive. Didn't cost that much. But I could tell you by the feel of it, it feels very premium. Something that you would almost pay for, like if you went and got a $40 or $50 hoodie, just to customize. Once again, a Circle Clothing hoodie. Before I go any further, how was y'all Christmas? Did you get everything you wanted from Santa? Was it as prosperous as you wanted it to be? If not, go even harder next year, y'all. Keep your head up, stay blessed up, and the new year's right around the corner. So we gotta be ahead of the curve. Being ahead of the curve, make sure that the business grows and that you stay in business. Sometimes you'll get done faulty in said businesses. For instance, I'm not gonna say any names, but I had a heat press that went out, we'll say about a year and a half ago. And I reached out to the company several times and asked if there was something that we could do to fix this. Well, their options were to offer me pieces to fix their faulty equipment and buy the new pieces to fix the faulty equipment, which I thought was like a slap in the face. I really don't feel like that's a way to handle business, especially when a person is spending their hard-earned money on buying said heat presses. So, long story short, I reached out to the company several times. Throughout this whole time that I'm reaching out to the company, other heat presses from the same company are experiencing the same thing. So I go on said page of the heat press. Remember, I'm not going to say their name. And I display my frustrations because it didn't only just happen to me. I can count on about 20 people's hands how many times this went out on other folks. They're all reaching out. They're all posting. We're all having the same issue. So we, as a collective, I thought I would be, the one to reach out and say something to the company on their page. Not only did they delete me and my posts, now they're not answering to my emails. So, Heat Press Nation, can we please make this right? Another product that I will be introducing in the new year is the sublimation blankets. And what it is 40 by 60, that's the measurements, and it has different panels to where you can sublimate pictures, memorials, sayings, prayers, however you want to do it, just to upsell and upscale your business. Check them out today. Do y'all know how much of a difference this little thing makes when it comes to this laptop? I've been using this little touchpad for the longest, and it's been driving me crazy. It kind of stutter steps whenever I use it. Whenever I touch that mouse pad, it doesn't seem to get exactly where I want it to be. So I guess my wife saw this also as a problem and, went out and got me a mouse. Most appreciative of it. But if you got you a laptop and using the little sensor thing right here to do your edits, that's a nightmare. Go on and get you a wireless mouse. Do you see what I see? I ain't no singer, y'all, but I was most geeked when I got this. The fact that my daughter and them told me it was a telescope for my older son, I really believed them because there was a telescope the size of this box, y'all, and it was wrapped in gift wrap. So I'm like, man, okay, I really gonna have to wait because I put one on pre-order for that one to come in. Needless to say, at the end of unwrapping all the Christmas presents and everybody was done, it was like, we need you to open up something. And I'm thinking, well, I already know it's a telescope for my son. And that's when she hit me like, nope, it's for you. My heart sank. It fell to the bottom of my feet. My face was flush, y'all. Now, I'm black, so I don't know if you can tell when a black person's face is flush, but my face was flush. And it almost became a little bit emotional. The reason why is because I had wanted this. Now, when some people purchase equipment, they just purchase it to, you know, mainly upsell their business. When you get stuff like this and it's going into a larger format, it's letting you know that your business is going in the right direction. I put a lot of sweat, tears, and time into this business. And my wife did buy this for me, but I know I got a large format heat press coming, and I got a big ass, excuse the big ass, sublimation printer coming. So these are the steps that you need to go in the right direction if your business is growing. And this is just confirmation. So without further ado, let's unbox this. So we'll open her up. And of course, as in all the Silhouette boxes, got to turn this big puppy around. You have the design store, the Silhouette design store. And you have some different design templates that they're going to give you. And I don't know if this is compatible with the other Silhouette Studio that I have, if I can just upgrade it or download some information, but we're definitely going to find out. But gosh, y'all see the size of my countertop, right? Let's just turn this sideways. Look at that. This thing is huge. It's going to need its own stand. So upon all the way opening, I've watched several videos, so I kind of know what's in the box, but I'm going to explain what's in the box. I'm not going to set it up and use it today, but this is just simply an unboxing of this Cameo 4 Pro. We have the setup, which comes custom in any Cameo that you get. Put that out the way. These look to be like, okay, it's all put together. Set this to the side. Pretty much this is the stands and the power cord to the Cameo 4 Pro. I don't even think it should be 4. It should just be the Cameo Pro. Unless they're gonna come out with the 36-inch. They come out with 36-inch, then we might be at square one again, y'all. Look at this mat, y'all. This is a poster size mat. Right here. Gosh. And let's try to get her out the box. All right. A little struggle, a little arm work. All right, there we go. Y'all see that? Look at that. That's ridiculous. All right. Take off the styrofoam that comes with every Silhouette. Put it to the side. And let's unwrap it all the way. Be careful with it. The only way I can see myself buying another one of these is if it came out in black. Now, if it come out in black tomorrow, we got to go back to the drawing board, y'all. Because black is my favorite color. And it's looking pretty taped up. Let's try to see if I can do this way, so you guys have a front view of it. And of course, the blue tape. They put this in every Cameo. It's very important to remove all this tape before you even plug this thing in, because you will tear up your Cameo if you do not remove all this blue tape. It's also going to be on the inside for those that's just now getting into the Cameo. You know, you might want to switch over from that Cricut. All right. So what else we got here? All right. Touch panel, tape, some more tape. I don't know if there was tape inside of here, but remove that little insert right there. And like I said, yeah, everything in here is taped up as well. Just take your time, remove this tape, y'all. And I'm assuming since this is a 4, you can probably use the Cameo 4 blades from the Pro, from the Plus, and the original 4, which I'll probably do. What the heck is that? Taped in there. It's really weird doing this backwards. I've been with Cameo since I started, so what is these? All right, I guess it's just to make sure that nothing moves around. I thought it was going to be another one of those vinyl cutters like they gave us in the Silhouette Cameo 3. Hey, Silhouette, bring back those little cutters. We love those little vinyl cutters that you have. I understand you got the little cut action on the back, which I'm going to show, but bring back those little tools. They was useful. Move the tape from here. As best as I can, doing this backwards. Some styrofoam up in here. Gotta get that up out the way. Oh, shoot. There we go. So now I need to turn it around and make sure that all the tape's out. And it is. So we'll move to the back. It's not that heavy to me, but if you got weak arms or you lose strength easily, I would suggest you get somebody to help you lift this thing. And we'll remove the last piece of tape off the back, which this is for the slide down drawer. So you can use this feature that actually slices the vinyl right here, which I'm not going to do right now, but that's what this is for. Slides down and opens. All right, let's see what's in this little box. So y'all have seen the mat. You've seen the actual Cameo itself, which is this, y'all. I'm actually on live too. Look at that thing. So these are the stands that come compatible with, which they slide into the actual Cameo Pro itself, and it extends out. So it's able to hold a 20-yard roll of vinyl. Let me show you what that looks like. I'm able to use this whole roll, put it in here, and let it feed through and cut, which you guys will see in upcoming videos after the new year. Well, this video is going to be after the new year, so once again, happy holidays. This middle bar, which is a stabilization bar for the 2 stands. Power cord. Yep. And you know what I don't see is the blade. So the blade has to be in here. Yeah. And inside the big stand, the main stand that goes into the middle, it has some more power cords. It has some attachments for the actual Cameo Pro. Then it has an adjustment tool in case you get little pieces of vinyl stuck inside of here. But yeah, y'all. Yo! You know what time it is. I'm super geeked. I cannot wait to get this in the production and y'all get to see me working with it. But I want to give a shout out to the squad. C, 12 on Apparel. You dig? My homeboy Jerome from All Things Styles. And of course, myself, Mike T's. And to the next one, y'all, I'm out.